Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI agent tools platform called Flowith. So let's quickly dive into it. Flowith is an AI agent platform designed to help business automate workflow, customer integrations and internal processing with ease. The biggest strength are its simplicity and flexibility. User can build AI custom agent without coding, connect them to tools like Slack or CRMs, and also streamline them with a repetitive task. The platform also stands out for affordability compared to some enterprise AI tools, which make it a great option for startup and growing teams looking to save times and boost productivity. On the flip side, Flowith is still relatively new, which means it lacks some of the advanced integration analytics and the enterprise-grade features that bigger competitors provide. Some users may also find that customization limited compared to more niche or mature platform. Still, if you want a lightweight, cost-effective AI agent to handle automation in 2025, Flowith is a solid choice that balances ease of use with powerful functionalities. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.